The Lexus LFA, an engineering marvel, a collector's dream, and one of the most unique supercars ever built. But with prices skyrocketing, is the LFA still a good investment? And how does it compare to other high-performance machines in the same price range? Today, we break it all down. Let's go back to 2010. Lexus shocked the world with the LFA, a limited production supercar featuring a 4.8-liter naturally aspirated V10, co-developed with Yamaha. It revved to 9,000 RPM, produced 552 horsepower, and sounded like an F1 car on steroids. Original price, 2010. $375,000 current market value, 2024. $800,000 to $1.2 million, depending on mileage and condition. When the LFA first launched, many thought it was overpriced. But today, it's almost tripled in value. Collectors and enthusiasts now see it as one of the greatest supercars of all time. But Lexus didn't stop there. In 2012, they unveiled the LFA Nürburgring Package, a track-focused version with more power, better aerodynamics, and an even sharper driving experience. Upgraded power, 562 horsepower versus 552 horsepower in the standard LFA, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.6 seconds versus 3.7 seconds in the standard model. Weight reduction, lighter components for better handling. Limited production, only 50 units worldwide. Price comparison. Original price, 2012. $445,000 current market value, 2024. $1.5 million to $2 million. With only 50 ever made, the Nürburgring edition has become a true collector's gem. If you see one for sale, expect a seven-figure price tag. Now let's see how the LFA stacks up against other supercars you can buy for around $1 million. Porsche Carrera GT engine, 5.7-liter V10, 612 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.5 seconds. Original price, 2004, $450,000. Current value, 2024, $1.5 to $2.2 million. The Porsche Carrera GT is another V10 legend, with more power than the LFA but a much riskier driving experience due to its lack of electronic aids. It's a true driver's car, but if you want refinement and modern reliability, the LFA wins. Ferrari 812. Superfast engine, 6.5-liter V12, 789 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.9 seconds. Original price, 2020. $366,000 current value, 2024. $450,000 to $600,000. The Ferrari 812 Superfast is a modern monster with almost 250 more horsepower than the LFA. It's faster and still in production, but it lacks the exclusivity and raw emotion of the LFA's V10 Symphony. So, is the Lexus LFA worth its seven-figure price tag? If you're looking for an investment, history proves the LFA's value is only going up. If you want a unique driving experience with F1-inspired sound and engineering precision, the LFA delivers like no other. Would you rather own a Lexus LFA, a Porsche Carrera GT, or a Ferrari 812 Superfast? Let us know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more supercar comparisons and exclusive insights. See you in the next one. Blast off.